Damn. What the fuck? What's up, guys? I'm down here in the studio. My big camera's upstairs, so we're gonna actually use GoPro for this video. We're gonna work on the 3D printer today. We'll take you over here and show you what's going on. The nozzle, this was a lot worse. I should have taken pictures of it, but I wasn't thinking. But you see that blue glob there? That blue glob was all the way up in all this stuff area here as well. And the yellow was all caked. I was transferring from blue to yellow, but I had an extra one of these. I couldn't find it. I finally found it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the, put the nozzle back together. Don't mind all this stuff. It's going back down there. That thing going back down there. That's another video. But today we're gonna change out this nozzle and try to see what we got going on. This is what I was doing. I was printing this stuff up for my granddaughter this weekend, and I did blue. I ran out of blue, so I went over to yellow, and I kept getting these blue splots. This one's better than a couple of them I tried. Yeah, see how it's got the blue right in there. It was just weird until I took it apart and seen what was going on. So, so without further ado, with that being said, we're gonna get this changed out here. I'll bring it along and we'll go from there. All right, so here's the new one. It's got the, I call it the blue straw, which is this one here. It goes down into that. It actually comes with a new nozzle too, so we don't have to change that out. So it's gonna be pretty. Uh-oh. Well, that ain't no good. I see you. I see you. God damn it. You know. Oh, damn it. All right, I'll show you something. See this blue? I call it the blue straw. Right? It just goes up and down. It just goes right in here. But if we grab this one, this is going to be stuck because it's got the filament melted up inside there. So basically what this does is there should be, if I remember right, and this goes over here because they attach to this. Should be a hole. Is it in the front? No, it's in the back. Goes up here like this, as far as you can take it. And then there's two set screws that hold it together. I don't know why my hands are so slick now. Oh, that one's tight. That one's tight. Almost. Okay. Now I gotta take that off because something happened. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, well, you ain't gonna be able to see it. There it goes. Jesus criminy. And then this one slides up. No, you're not gonna be able to look at it. I gotta have two hands. Well, here's the fan shroud. So that gets popped in into this thing somehow. Oh. Now there's two screws that go on the back side here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, I gotta use the audio for the GoPro. I don't know if the time lapse caught it, but it crashed. Well, I didn't notice this, but this line here was wrapped around here like this when I put it up in there, and it didn't get pushed up high enough, and that's my fault. So we're gonna try this again. Maybe it's hot, hotter than snot right now. All right, so I got this back together and my camera shut off for some reason. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this table and then get a print going, and we'll watch it print. Damn, what the fuck? So it's been a few days. Come to find out, the replacement parts that I got, they said it was for that, but it's not for that, right? So what I've done was I've actually was able to find a box that had all the extra components in it, and I was able to put it back together in there and got everything put back together. I'm gotta think about, there's some gears inside of here that actually feeds the filament down in there, and it looks like it's a bit wore out. So they're like 10 bucks on Amazon, so I'm probably looking into possibly replacing those. Right now what I'm doing is a print, and it's actually a print to hold this camera. So I got a camera for this thing, and we're gonna print this housing. That'll be another video with that, me setting up the camera and figuring all that stuff out. I am looking at possibly setting up a computer over here, not that one, but just on like a test bench. So might do a live stream of a big print. Like I was looking at these Darth Vader things, and I just want to see how big I can get with this. I mean, you know, this thing's huge. You know, it'll go way up here. So in the bed, like I said, the bed's huge on this thing. So I would like to, I'm looking at possibly doing a live stream. Let me know. I'll probably do it anyway, but let me know if you guys are interested in me just throwing a live stream on a 3D print. And I don't know, we'll possibly go from there. But with all that, this thing's up and working, running great. I've got that other 3D printer that's the exact same thing. I've been delaying setting that up. I'm going to do some rearranging, I think, here. And I don't know, I'm rambling at this point. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. We got more to come. I'm coming back. I'm trying to do more with this channel, along with the cooking channel. So bear with me. I appreciate you guys' loyalty and sticking with me. I'll see you guys in the next one.